How to do affiliate marketing with your website. All right, so in this video I want to share with you how you can make money with your website selling affiliate marketing digital products, and I can say a hell out of your products but by listing it on your website. Okay, and you can get websites for free without paying a dime. All right, so I'm also going to recommend you ways to do that, but it's my own. It's a paid medium. I hosted it and the domain name. All right, so let me share with you how to do affiliate marketing with your website and make money doing so. All right, first thing first, let us go to our dashboard. So when you get to your dashboard, we are going to see a place like this. You can see blog here. So let's click on create new blog. So we'll click on it. Now stick with me and I want to show you how to do it easily. Now it will open up this interface for us whereby we can start to create content. All right, and I will show you how to generate this content. All right, without you writing it, generate the content and put it here, and you're going to link your affiliate marketing link to it so that people can click on it and make a purchase. Good. Next thing we will do next is for us to go on Google. They will need to put the keyword of we are targeting, because any of the writing you are doing, you must have a specific keyword they are targeting with your content to attract the right audience. For instance, now I type Zenith stick and then I click the shift button, I click on it, then it will show us similar things that people are looking for. People are looking for Zenith stick registration, Zenith stick affiliate marketing, Zenith stick login, Zenith stick logo, and all of that. So let's assume I want to write for this, which is Zenith stick registration fee. Anyone that is typing this on Google want to join Zenith stick, want to register, so it's looking for how much it costs. So I will create a content justifying how much the price, which is 15,000 naira, is good and what the person can benefit, and then I'll provide my affiliate link. All right, in the content so they can click on it and then purchase. Next thing I will go to WK Finder or SEMrush, and then I will input the keyword here, which is Zenith stick registration fee. I want to check the keyword difficulty, and the keyword difficulty here is 13. Anything below 45 is good. Anything above 45, it is tough for your content to rank on Google. Do you get? So 13 now is perfect, which means I can write content on this and it rank on Google first page in less than 2 days. All right, and I've done a video of how I use my website to make money on the internet. Okay, you can click this video here to watch it on how I use my content to make money with affiliate marketing. All right, now I've checked it. What I'll do again, I'll come back, all right, to my blog post here. I'll put the keyword here. Let me show you. I'll come and write the keyword this way, which is Zenith stick. I'll write Zenith stick registration fee. All right, okay, so this is become the content I will be writing. So I want to develop content. I want to develop it as a full blog someone can read, and I'll impute my affiliate link on it. Okay, let me show you the one I've done so that you can understand better. Okay, so we don't waste much time doing it. Good. Now if I click on here now, study blog, I'll click on study blog. So I will show you content I've created with this. So if I scroll down now, do you see Zenith registration fee? I've already done it. Now let's click on it now. Zenith registration fee / smart course. Okay, so I did another ACO. So I went to this KW Finder, this tools here, and then I imputed this keyword here. Hold on, let me show you this keyword, which is smart course free, which means people are looking for it. So I included it in the headline as well. So I developed this content here. Are you curious about Zenith stick? And its registration fee for just 15,000 naira, you can gain access. So from the beginning, I already told the audience what they wanted. Okay, then I now go down to break it down, understanding Zenith stick registration. So then the content, then I scroll down here. Now I link my affiliate link, which is join Zenith stick. This is also here, which is affiliate marketing. So I imputed my Zenith stick registration link here. All right, so as they are reading it, they're going to get started. Now someone that wants to connect with me can click on this and then chat me on WhatsApp. Do you get? So this is how I write blog posts here and then impute my affiliate link, all right, in my blog content to make so that audience can purchase my affiliate marketing offer through my blog post. Do you understand now? So this is how you can do the same and make a whole lot of money writing content, all right, on your website, using your website to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to all your questions. Watch this video to learn how I use my website to make a whole lot of money on the internet. Okay, every time money cares. Catch you up later. Bye for now.